Tell Papa we saw a big bad wolf.
Dad has a big bad wolf? What does the dad say? What does the wolf say?
What is it? He said, Grandma, what big eyes you have.
Papa!
Hello, Brett.
One, two, three.
That's connected?
Not yet.
No.
That's a switch. Switch, Alice.
Sore neck.
Brett.
Uh-oh.
Wait till the camera sees your dad. They don't know who he is.
43, 28.
Dad shoes.
Dad
Dad toes.
Dad
Put your shoes
toes.
on. We going for a walk.
Papa shoes.
Papa shoes. Come here, Papa. Come here, Dada. Hey, Dada. Get out.
Today.
You gotta try Papa's place.
Hey there, Brad. This is your other grandmother. Do you remember me? Hey there. Hey there. Do I get a hug?
Yeah.
Give her a kiss.
Do I get a hug?
All right.
Oh, my goodness. What a sweet boy. Oh, what a sweet boy.
And then
Your
your
son's
son.
over there.
Oh, who is he? Is it? When did you do that?
About 3 weeks ago.
Really? And you kept it a secret?
We kept a secret. Does he look handsome?
Yeah, I knew he would if he ever got rid of him. I never thought he'd get rid of
I told
him.
him he looks so young.
It does. It makes. I think most people it does make
When
them
you
look
have
older,
gray.
gray in it.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Make
We
him
got
speak.
you on film. We've been waiting for you to see his beard.
What do you mean his beard? His
It's
Well,
like
were you sitting there when I came in?
He was behind.
I was back there.
Oh, I didn't see you.
Isn't
Oh,
he
did you
gorgeous?
do? Laura, I don't think I hugged you, did
I
I?
know it.
He'll kiss you. Watch him kiss you.
Kiss.
Kiss Grandma.
Ah, that was so good. That was so good. I love you. Are you gonna spend the night with me tonight, big boy? Would your grandmother hug? Let her hold you. Let her hold you. Oh, goodness. Oh.